Candlesticks, a dance we know. Green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that weight and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick-tock on the trading clock. Price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block. Riches knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, a dance we know. Green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that weight and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead.
All right. Hey Mo, we can't hear you, Mo. Market is open, you guys.
Hey, good morning. There we go.
Mhm.
Okay, so we got DC on, we have Cloud on. Okay, let's see. Cloud, I hear you. DC, how you doing today?
Just watching.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh,
Ooh.
I just caught that. Sheesh. Weekly level right here at 46, 54, and 67. Remember, this move that we had last night and today is from Netflix. And we also did have a press release from the White House stating that they do want to pour, I think it was half a billion into AI. So Nasdaq should be off to the races this morning. We're right above the London high. Let's see if we can push to 22,000. Look for a strong wall at 22,000.
Oof.
Mm.
We are off to the races today.
Who else is long right now? DC, Mo, you long?
I'm long.
Same. DC, how about you?
Mm-mm.
He's waiting for a pullback.
That was too fast for me.
We were at the 900 area, the way that we held 900, and I liked it. It was risky. My entry was very risky. I was looking at the 1 minute money zone down there a- as potential support if I did get a rejection and wasn't drawdown. But luckily, I got in and saw a little drawdown. Sellers looking like they want to step in briefly here. We are on top of the expensive box. We also at on weekly level. Trying to give it a little bit of time. It's still open, so we have to be careful. Can't just take every little trade off a level.
Okay, we got that there. All right. So we got a little treat today. We're gonna have a look at DC's chart. In about 3, 2, 1.
Oh
Yep,
no!
you. There's DC's chart, everybody. You tell? I think he's one of the only traders that trades with a white background.
It's light gray. That makes it special.
Oh yeah, that's a special AI. No, I'm just kidding. Just
It's
kidding.
it's it, it's silver.
Okay, now.
Okay. Coming down back to London High. That 50-second money zone did hold.
Okay. DC, are you seeing anything? Or are you just waiting
I'm
for?
I'm just waiting for the. Let me see here that. Yeah, we are a little bit expensive at this moment. That's why I'm hesitating a little bit. I liked that initial rejection of the 935, but it didn't hold the way I wanted.
like this more and more and more and more. Maybe it doesn't like me.
We'll see.
Yeah, it may need a little bit of time to reset a little bit. It's kind of toppy up here, and New York just opened up.
$34, $42. Nine. Where is this at? 9. Okay. So what is it? 9:40.
Okay, so we are clear for news. That's good.
Let's give the market 10 minutes.
Are you snowed in, Mo?
I'm actually frozen in. Because it's literally in the single digits here. So.
Celsius or Fahrenheit?
Oh, come on. This is the US. You know we have to be different. What's this Celsius stuff?
What's this you're talking about? Celsius? I don't know.
Yeah,
No Celsius.
that's the stuff we ignored in primary school. Like, you don't really need to know that. Nobody uses that but the rest of the world.
Yes, you
No,
guys
it's Fahrenheit.
have to be different.
Yeah, so we are about, I think now 10 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know the conversions. Let me. What's the,
We're hugging this level right here at 946. We're also right above the London high.
Okay, so for everyone outside of the U.S., it's 10 degrees here in the U.S. Fahrenheit, which is negative 12 Celsius.
Oh, that's winter.
Yes, this is a deep freeze, polar vortex, garbage. So wait, so what's 39 Celsius? Because that's where it is right now in Australia. Let's see. Let's go.
That's so hot.
Let's see, 39. Wow! Whoa! That's 102 in Fahrenheit. Oh my goodness, that's you just stay inside.
That's like a fever temperature.
Yeah. That's when you just go into a pool or something before it turns into soup water.
Well, I mean that's Gabby's plan once she hits this 100 pointer right here.
Well, expecting over 40. Wow, so that's probably like 105 here. 110.
All right. We did not want to break above this 967 level. I'm gonna say it doesn't want to. It hasn't yet. Let me say it hasn't yet. I would like Nasdaq to make a new high though. Honestly, like right. I mean, a new high during the New York session at least. Show me it wants to be strong, be a strong bullish move today.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, that's just an equal high. Yeah, just
And the
equal high.
bears said rejected.
Oh yeah, come on, push down to 930, 932. That'd
Yeah,
be
like
very nice.
920, 920. Let's call it.
Yeah, anything between 935 and 900, I like. And I'm still in this long from earlier from open. YM is taking a nosedive right now. Yes, it's kind of like ranging right here a little bit. YM might find support here though on YM. Let's see,
So while we wait, DC, do you want to explain a little bit what people are seeing on your chart?
Oh, well, yes, for those that don't haven't watched my channel, my layout, this is basically the entry chart. They might know the surge from your layout. Here is the pullback from your layout as well. We have the algo candle coloring that I like to watch with the money zones, as long as they're both the same color. That's the direction I'm going in, and have some levels here. Some of them I can talk about, some of them I cannot. And this squiggly line is the view up, which is also pretty important. It's a very magical view up because it's coming from Adam and it's kind of like a magic ball. You can see here it has like predictive colors built in. Here at the open it turned red just for a tiny bit, predicting that we might possibly play below it, but then immediately turned back green, and you can see the movement. So entry wise pretty simple in order to make good, there you go, good decisions. Okay, I was able to take kind of like a breakout trade, very late entry. Based off the 15-minute money zone which I have on my screen. It's around here. 950 level.
I'm looking at 22,000. That's all I really care about, honestly. Give me my 100 points. Hold on, Brad Pitt.
Let's see if we can keep this momentum, or it was just taking stops from the early shorts. Because there are people who actually don't have access to all this greenness on the screen here. I have the TPOs, IVD on another screen. It's all blinking green, 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 green at me. So there are people who don't have access to that, and they're thinking, "Oh, we're so high. Let's short this." Okay. Meanwhile, there's come on, almost 50 points for me here.
Oh, that's 22,000 right there, isn't it?
Tapped it.
Yeah.
It was like, hello.
96.
It's just, come on, really? Let's. We round.
Yep. Okay, get it. What, you want me to come after you?
If you were in long from the open, yeah, and trailed your stop, you could still be in this. I'm just gonna wait for the next 4 hour.
Yeah, coming in the next 7 minutes.
And if it's not obvious, I'm looking long.
Come on.
22.5. What do I have? Let me look at
Yep.
the game plan and see how close we are. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Going to break even. Run. Run, Forest, run.
Well, that's 100 points for me, by the way.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so since we have a little bit of time, let's just analyze this section right here. why I didn't go long where Cloud did at the open, which is a very good entry based off the 4-hour high and other stuff, right? But I had red candles on red money zone. That was like, and also you have like space, no space for here for the trade to run. That's why you saw the rejection at this week. Then after that we broke out on green candles, green money zone. So that's yummy setup, but already surge was in progress. So waiting for the surge to finish. That was another entry here at, like I said, 35. But I didn't like the first reaction because we couldn't make another leg up. But 35 held. Should have taken that one. However, I waited for more confirmation, and when I saw this another surge coming, okay, this is the time to make the next leg up. So I just watched for like a week to get a better price, and then this was the entry, and it's going. If that makes sense, because at the open sometimes you have to be a little bit more aggressive, not cloud level aggressive, because that's like the Superman of aggressive, but aggressive within reason.
Aggressive within reason. That's
Within reason, cause you saw Mo's setup didn't appear. I mean that 1 minute surge, it did make a travel, an attempt, but we had no
Oh
red
wow.
surge,
Oh why? Oh wow. 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 Look at this run.
Mo's setup.
mhm.
Look at YM. It's like I said, YM found his bottom right where I called it. Oh man, beautiful, beautiful. That's 100 points on YM right there as well too.
I'm coming up also 75 points around behind Cloud a little bit, but it's sad that I cannot gain on him. I mean, I cannot get my points faster than he has. he does. I would love to gain on him. My points are faster. Like, come on. And for those of you that maybe are wondering and might say, well, I mean, this surge will eventually finish. Wouldn't that be an entry here? And I would say no. Why? Because there's no safe place to hide your stop. My invalidation, first invalidation would be the flipping of the money zone, right? So we are very far from the money zone, so that would not be a valid safe entry on that time.
Okay. 30 seconds to a new 4-hour.
We have low impact news. Like the lowest of impacts.
Like almost non-news.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. New 4-hour. can see by these 4 data points, high, close, open and low, that this 4-hour has been a really strong bullish hour, 4-hour candle. So we shouldn't see price in any retracement, healthy retracement, fall below 950, 940.
Bro, what the hell is happening? I'm not doing that. Oh my god.
Oof.
Thank you. Was that clouds non-news?
That was Cloud taking a trim. No, I'm just kidding.
I wanted to catch the tail of that candle on another account, but was too slow. I don't know. It's not as cold here, but I just like it looks like my brain is frozen. Imagine if you caught this one at 79.80, you would be like 25 points up already in like half of 2 minutes, which is 1 minute. Mo might get his retracement, but he might not like it.
Nope. Wow, that was a 20 point. Nope. There's a buy button. Okay. See this. I'll be right back.
We should be making a new leg up now, if not.
I'm in a risk-free long.
Okay.
What? 2010. Another equal high up here.
Come on, get that high. There you go.
Good job, Nasdaq. Good job,
There
Nasdaq.
you go. That's the Nasdaq we all know and love sometimes.
Okay.
And once we blow that, let's 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 go.
Okay.
Know when to turn the heat on.
No, Mo's fighting with the car people. It's so ridiculous. I hate cars. I want to live in a place where I can walk everywhere. I really do. I'm getting sick and tired. I want to live in a place where it's warm, where I can walk everywhere, and has good internet. If you could find me those places, put it in the chat.
Look at Arthur. Or even
Ooh,
London, man. Go to London.
London. Isn't that a lot of rain? I'm not sure. Never been there.
It's not, I mean, not really. I'm gonna say a lot.
Isn't it cold there? Doesn't it get cold?
Just like New York. It doesn't
Nah.
always snow. Like it doesn't always snow like New York. Also as well too.
No, no, no. I want to go someplace where like, uh, I don't know, almost like not Caribbean because their internet is hit or
What's the hold
miss.
on, what's the ATR right now?
For the 30
It's
seconds, 9.
it's 14.7 on the 1 minute. I don't know if it's
Ooh.
higher or lower. Probably lower than at the beginning.
All right, let's see, downtown Fort Worth, Texas. Interesting. Hey, let me see. If anybody in the chat, if you either live or been to Portugal, does it get cold there?
CR's from Portugal, I think.
I'm sure he is.
He's definitely from Portugal. Like we've talked Portuguese soccer before. Yeah, I think Australia is beautiful, but I've also seen how massive their insect population is, and I'm not sure if I can handle that.
Not to mention that tornado slash storm slash I don't know what it was that blew off Gabby's roof or something like that
Oh yeah.
last year. Plus, I don't know how they got used to living upside down.
No, listen. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep
You know, there's also I've heard on like online stuff and talking to some other people that there is countries, um, you know, not I think it's in Africa. There's countries now in Africa where they've like I've seen them sell houses that are very very like huge mansion, like huge, like
That's not,
I
yo.
I
I'm
want to say acres.
Yeah. So that's not new. I mean, that's been going on for
Yeah,
you know
it's new to
decades.
me because I never seen it.
Yeah. I mean, like I know right now, my dad is building a house back home. Um, you know, and a lot of the houses back home are going to be like your mega mansions. They're going to be on at least 5, 10 acres of land.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I've been seeing. Like five, like it's huge. It's beautiful. My gosh, it's so like the landscape. It's like so pristine, and then the houses they built because people take tours of the houses. Fantastic. I thought it was a hotel when I first saw it. It's someone's house. I was like, that's awesome. Where else did I see? I know I have friends from the Philippines. Um, Even the lower islands are starting to get built up now. Because you have Manila, which is the capital, right? And then other spots that have already been like a lot of expats go. Puerto Rico's already overpriced. I was telling my wife the other day, I was like, I would go to Puerto Rico. The only thing is, I don't trust the internet out there.
Hey creator, how's the internet in Portugal?
We have the most. That's a great selling point, Gabby. She said, "We have the most poisonous animals and extreme storms."
I'm here.
Thailand too, I heard is beautiful. And yes,
Yes,
I heard.
Thailand also and cheap, but I don't like too much water. It's too much water. I mean, one proper tsunami and it's gone.
Yeah, DC like I could see the water from my mountaintop.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
How about you, Cloud? What's your like?
Dream place.
Yeah, not you like
Um,
like where would you build like if you wanted to build anything anywhere? Where would you?
back home,
Nice.
back home in Nigeria. Honestly, I mean, for me, it's like I don't really. I mean, like I've lived in everywhere that that I wanted to live. I'm born in Nigeria. I lived in London. I lived in New York. I lived in Atlanta. I love Atlanta. I love New York. I love London. I love Nigeria. I travel a lot to Mexico. Puerto Vallarta is my number one vacation destination.
Hmm.
I've been there like 6, 7 times in the past like 7 years. I love Puerto Vallarta. I love the Caribbeans, but if I was to build a house, it would definitely be back home in Nigeria, like, without a question. I'm also loving how Nasdaq right now
Yeah.
is hugging the 22,000. Let's just focus on that right now. But
Yeah.
Nasdaq is hugging 22,000, and I think potentially we can possibly see 22,078 up here.
Oh. This is the secret to staying in trades. Start talking about something else. Let's see. How's the
Yeah,
search looking? It's looking good.
healthy.
Hmm. Where is that? Right here.
I know today may seem kind of boring, but the market has been, like we had a crazy tear last night because of Netflix earnings. Right now we're at the 22,000 area. It's just like I don't really know if we're going to get a bigger push right now. Maybe at 11:30, but even then, 11:30, I think we may see some profit taking. Honestly,
I think we're seeing some now. I mean, but they're slowly offloading their positions.
Okay. Let's see.
yeah. The rest of the week, all earnings we have the rest of the week is evolved around Dow and the Spy. But both ES and YM are looking kind of bullish right now as well too. They both look like they have hit a daily fib level on both ES and YM. YM did hit the London high, made an equal high up there, and came back down.
Nice.
Right now, we have red evidence lines on the 5 and 15 second. We have sellers stepping in right now. Power hours over in 5 minutes. So a lot of your big smart money, quote unquote, should be exiting the market here soon. So a lot of positioning is going to be placed here. A lot of profit taking, potential long positions being taken here. So let's see what happens.
Ooh, okay.
I know this is the boring part of trading right
This is
here.
sucked.
This
You
is
know
the
what it
boring
is too? Like I've been doing some back testing on like couple of the entry stuff, and it's the moves. Like let's say a move that I would like is looking like they happen like every 15 to 30 minutes.
It's no coincidence that 15-minute candles is just as strong as those hourly and 4 hour candles.
So it's just about waiting for them.
While we wait, let's take. Oh my God, look at Amazon. I'm gonna be so pissed. Amazon is at 235, and I literally told a buddy of mine, "Hey, I want to buy Amazon Leaps for next year," and I told him the best place to buy it is around 215, 216. It hit 216. He bought it. I didn't buy it, and now it's up to 235. That one, that one hurts. That one hurts. That one hurts. That one hurts. Microsoft is also off to the races right now too. God, look at Amazon.
Where are we on the? Are we done with this 15-minute candle?
No, 1 minute,
No.
5 seconds
No,
to be
no, we're
exact.
done. We're done.
I mean, technically yes, but now there's a new 15-minute candle. Let's see how it opens. I mean, personally, I feel like we're overbought. I personally would like a pullback. I'm looking at the pullback indicator right now. On the 15-minute, and even the surge looks like it wants to start printing some slightly bearish volume on the 15-minute. I guess Nasdaq wants to prove me wrong, but until we get into like the 22,050s, I don't really want to even take another trade, even look for another trade. Honestly, right now. I am going to take some medication shortly, and I'm gonna go to the gym in a little bit. I'm gonna see what the market wants to do within the next 30 minutes to an hour, and if I don't see a strong push above this 22,050, I might have to wait until the next 4 hour. I'm still in my original long from this morning. I'm only in five micros with that, so and I took that on my live account on my funded futures, so I'm happy
Nice.
about that.
Nice, nice.
I was so afraid to take a trade on that account, so this is my first trade on that account. Y'all wish me luck that I actually keep the live account for long, because the way my funded futures works is that if you blow your live account, they put you on probation for 6 months.
Well, then don't blow it.
I mean,
We got a question, I think, Mo.
Yes. Let's see here. Oh, that's not the question.
the TPO candles.
Nuh-uh.
What indicator it's the two yellow
Let's
candles at
see.
the open?
Yeah, that's
Okay, let's
the
see. Pop this up. Here we go. Here's the question. Okay, it's on the screen. What indicator painted the two yellow candles at the open? That's
the open. So there you go. What he's talking about are these two candles right here. They're coming from the. Let me move this one from the algo, and it's. Let's scroll. It's this right here. Exhausted candles. Which means that, and they're the exhausted, yeah, exhausted bullish candles are blue, exhausted bearish candles are yellow in this case. So we see bears trying to make a strong push at the open, but the way I read it is that after that they get eaten out, and then that that was all that she wrote bears wise. Very good question. Awesome indicator.
okay.
All right, it looks like we have hit a nice little wall here on Nasdaq. Let's I I really feel like we need 11 o'clock to come. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to lock myself out of my Top Step account so I don't take any trades because I want to take a trade on Top Step right now, but I may have to wait at least 30 minutes. We have another trader within our community that just announced that she has two funded accounts now.
Nice.
Awesome. Let the funding begin. ES went green. You guys still in your longs? Anybody still in a long? I know Cloud is still in his long.
Yeah, I still got 5 micros left.
I got taken out at the trail stop below the 4-hour close, and
I am.
I'm not looking for anything else.
I am. I'm looking for more, but I'm greedy like that. So, and that's kind of why for me it's like because I once we take another trade on another set of funded accounts, this next trade will probably be 5-10 micros. I I want to wait a little bit. I want to see what happens at either 11 o'clock, 11:30. And if I don't see what I want there, then I'm just call it a day. Come back tomorrow.
Okay, 3 minutes and I'm calling it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, you guys. How we looking over here, man?
I think
Nothing changed.
yeah, we're just we're just floating.
Let's look at some stocks. Let's look at some stocks. Oh man, I should have taken Apple. yesterday. Nvidia is a nice push up right here on the video. Let's see, Nvidia can make a new high right here. Meta on the 5 minute on the bodies, it looks like we created a wall here on the 5 minute chart on Meta. But I think Meta can get up to the previous weekly high at 632 before the end of the day today. That's a $4 move. I know that may be kind of aggressive, but I can see that happening. Google is at a very weird spot right here at this 200 area. Let's see what happens. Yeah, Google's at 199.50 right now.
All right. So I think this is a good time to call the live call because right now, um, you know, there's no real entry spots for me. Um, I know Cloud is still in his runners. DC, I think, is
I'm flat.
might be, yeah, he's flat right now. So, anyone else? Is anyone else still in? Just let us know in
I'm
the chat.
I'm looking for another trade entry. We might just go to Discord after this to hang out for a little bit, talk to our paid members, and answer some personal questions for them trading wise to help better guide them to either getting funded or getting payouts. So I mean, Mo, we can go ahead and call it at 10:45 Eastern time. I mean, I'm good if you and DC are good.
Yeah, I think I'm good. If you want to head over to Discord, you can head over there. We'll be there to answer any questions that you have. Again, thank you again for joining on this live call. Hopefully, you caught some of your setups today, and we will be with you again tomorrow and also on Friday. And with that, TC, Cloud, let's see everybody on the live tomorrow.
All right.
Have a good one, guys. Bye.
Take care.